Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here, and today I want to teach you about the 80-20 rule. This is my rule. Other people have an 80-20 rule, but my 80-20 rule is 80% you can trust people. Okay, so you can trust people. 20%, you can't. Just think about that. Why can you trust somebody 80% and not trust them 20%? Because we're human. Humans make mistakes. Do you make mistakes? Yep, you do. Do I make mistakes? Yep, I do. Do kids make mistakes? Yep, they do. Does your husband make mistakes? Yep, he does. Does your wife make mistakes? Yep, she does. Does your employees make mistakes? Yep, they do. Do your managers make mistakes? Yep, they do. Does the boss make mistakes? Yep, they do. So I want you to remember that. Why is this so important and so effective? Because if you learn not to have 100% expectation on people, think about that. Most of the time, we don't trust people because we expect 100% of them. That's impossible. So if you could learn to put down that bar of having such high expectation on people because they're human, they're going to hurt you, right? If you give 100% expectation for something, you better guarantee they're going to hurt you. But if you can guarantee you can trust them 80% and you can guarantee they'll hurt you 20%, guess what? When they hurt you, it doesn't hurt because you expected it already. It's not the unknown. It's not like, oh my God, I can't believe you did that. So when somebody hurts me, this is the first thing I do. So somebody had given me a cheap shot and I was thinking, that's a cheap shot. And it was really not nice what he said. And then I thought, oh, but you know what? That's his humanness. I'm going to give him that. It's okay. And you know what? I know who I am. I hold my image. I think that's an important thing for you to remember. Paul Martinelli shares this great thing. Hold your image. If you know who you are and you know that no matter what somebody else says to you, if it's not true, it may be their truth, but it's not your truth, it's okay. Do you understand? It is okay. You don't have to take it personal. So that is something so important. If you could grab hold of this, you will save yourself so much pain, so much hurt. Really. Remember, 80-20 rule. You can trust people 80%, 20% you can't. And when they hurt you that 20%, they're human. We all make mistakes. You deal, feel, and heal. You deal with the situation. You say, listen, that hurt my feelings. You feel it, and then you heal. Please don't do that again. Don't say something like that to me. I don't think it was very nice. And I didn't ask for your opinion either. You know, you can still say it nice, and it's always the way we say things makes a difference, right? So the other important thing to remember, too, is if you're finding that somebody's hurting you over and over again, most of the time it's somebody that you probably shouldn't be around. It's probably somebody that is too broken and maybe they want to, like, toxic people breed more toxic people. You know, hurt people, and damage people. It's such a great thing to memorize. I memorized that and then I stopped taking things personal. So this is your 80-20 rule. I want you to keep this in your pocket. I want you to just memorize this. 80% I can trust people, 20% I can't. When they hurt me, it's okay. It's their 20% being human. That's it. It's just simple. Simple. You can do it. Imprint it in your mind. Say it every morning, say it every night until it's imprinted. And it takes 66 days to imprint a new pattern in your brain. Well, right now, the pattern in your brain is probably that you just think that you should trust people. People should be 100% trustworthy. That's not true. So get that out of your brain and now put the new program in there. You can trust people 80%, 20% you can't. And you'll never be hurt. It works. So anyway, this is Coach Kimmy here. Thank you so much for watching this, and I can't wait to share more with you.